In this video, we are going to see how to find a formula which is existing inside a Excel sheet. Now, as you can see in front of you, there is a Excel sheet which is showing population on the basis of some country and region. We don't know which are the cells which are consisting of the formulas and what are the specific formulas in them. So to see that, what we can do is we can go to the ribbon. In the ribbon, we click on the formulas tab, so it will open all the options in the formulas tab. Here we will see that there is an option which is a command group, a list of commands which are named as formula auditing. So in formula auditing, find show formulas, click on it. Now it will increase the size of the column. Move to the different cells and you will see that the cells which are having formulas along with the formulas which are present is given. Like the formula is present in the increase column. In percentage increase is a total of the population of 1960, 1961. For increase total is there, and percentage increase also the formula for the formula is existing. So these are the places where we have the formulas, and we can also see the formulas are simple ones, a value minus the other value. Now to go to the basic view, you click on show formula again and it will revert back to the original view. So in this way you can find the formulas present in the Excel sheet. So that is the function show formulas. Thank you.